We got some tackle boxes here from Grandpa. He gifted them to me. 3 Plano boxes that he used on Lake Erie. Let's go through them. Box number 1 here. All types of stingers here. Cranks on this side. Bigger jerk baits on this side. Just a bunch of old lures from his boating days on Lake Erie. Now the big box. All types of spoons. Got more spoons on this side. More jerk baits and spoons. I've gone through this and taken some of them out and added them to a smaller tackle box that I can carry in my bag. But once I buy a boat, I'll be using these extensively. And I can't wait.